Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. You can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for April 2012. We start this month with Sun being in Aries till 1st to 19th before it moves to Taurus. And Sun is going to be transiting your third house, the house that rules mind, intellect, higher learning, broadcasting, publishing, films, glamour. So it's going to be a great start for you, Aquarians. We also have Mercury that goes direct on the 4th, and thank God for that. Mercury is going to be bringing its entire planetary support in the form of communication. So, for a lot of you who have been waiting for meals, a lot of you who have been waiting for deals to get closed, which may have got started end of Jan, you can all expect good news or some form of at least concrete answer as to where is it that you go forward from here. Mercury is also going to help you communicate as far as your business deals are concerned, as far as your personal relationships are concerned. So, for a lot of you who may have been going round and round in circles, trying to put forward your thoughts or even presentations or even trying to explain your perspective or your ideas to the other person, you'll find a lot of clarity at this point of time. It will be more smoother, it will be more simpler to make the person in front of you or your business partners understand which is the or what is the standpoint that you are speaking from. We also have Mars that goes direct on the 14th. What a lovely month. Mars is going to be transiting your 8th house. Now, the 8th house covers your gifts, credits, loans, anything to be doing with bank. It also deals with investing and your angel investors. So, for those of you who have been working on lovely, creative, innovative ideas, it's a great time to go out right now and get that funding. It is also a time for introspection, Aquarians. This is a time that uh, it's a strange mix. While you are on a learning curve and you are learning new things, new experiences, you have to be very brave to be open to ideas. You have to be very brave to uh, you know really be open to what it is that is there in front of you. The universe is asking you to uh, shed off all the old inhibitions, the preconceived notions or assumptions that you may have of doing a certain thing. So, be it a relationship related or be it business partnerships. I would say in this case, the stress is more on business partnerships. So, you really need to be looking at the ideas that come to you, they could be very unconventional. So before you sort of just throw them on the side, it would be great if you sit and you not only understand as to where is it that they are originating from, but if you're more flexible in your mind, you'll enjoy the ride far more. We also have a full moon that is happening in Libra on the 6th, and this is a time when a lot of you are going to be putting your relationships under a scanner. So, be it your business partnerships or be it your personal relationships, you're going to be seeing as to what is the value that you bring to the table in this relationship. What is the value that your partner is getting? So, there's going to be a lot of a pro and a con list that a lot of you are going to be sitting and doing. And I think it's a brilliant exercise. I think this is this is a time when you can actually evaluate and be very practical about it. It's not really a time, Aquarians, to be idealizing things. The universe is urging you to remove your rose colored glasses and look at things and address things the way that they really are. While all of us seek perfection in some form or the other, but the reality is there is a lot of effort that gets into creating that perfection. So stay prepared this month, not only for new experiences, not only on the learning curve, and for a lot of you who may have sort of been there and done it all and thought, nothing more can really shake me, you're going to be pleasantly surprised. The trick is just to stay very, very open. The tarot message for you this month, Aquarians, is patience. It's temperance. The universe is asking you to strike a balance between the mind and the heart. It is asking you to not to lose your cool, especially mid-month, and that is a time that you could be feeling quite. There could be a lot of pent-up frustration. So it could be like a volcanic eruption at this point of time. So uh, the universe is asking you to not just stay calm with others, but also with yourself, and also to work in partnership. It's very important for you this month to seek cooperation of everybody. It's great that, and it is a known fact that you can run faster when you run alone. But this is a time to be really running in a group for most of you. So have a great month. I'll see you again in May. And thank you so much for watching.